Hi everyone, it's me again. This time, now that you have your Symbaloo account all set up, I'm going to show you how to create a new Symbaloo and to add a tile into it. To add a new Symbaloo is simple. Up here you will notice that next to the names of your Symbaloos, there's a plus sign. So just click on the plus sign and it's going to ask you to create a new web mix. A web mix is just another fancy name for a Symbaloo. So we're going to add an empty web mix, and this one I'm just going to title it my research project, and I'm going to add. This will create a new Symbaloo for you. You'll notice that it's totally blank, and in the middle there is a Google search bar here. The search bar will only be here on your side, but when you show it to the students, it'll just be a blank box for them. They won't be able to search in the middle. To create a tile, what you want to do is wherever you want your first link to be, you'll see where it says add tile. When you're hovering over it, you're going to click on the tile, and a box will show up, and you'll say edit tile, and you can create a tile, search, or browse. Here we're going to create one. So I'm going to click on create one. The first thing you need is your website address. So I'm going to go into the website, and I just pulled up this article about the Titanic on Wikipedia. You want to copy the link and navigate back to Symbaloo. Here in the box, you will see where it says add the address of the website. Just click in the box and paste it, and then you can click outside of it. Now, because this is a Wikipedia article, many times what Symbaloo will do is it will read what the site is. So you'll notice how the name on the site or the name on the tile, it came up here as RMS Titanic. And in the website or in the address bar, you'll see that name there too. It also gives you a picture of Wikipedia. Now, one thing you can do here is next to where it says the name of the title of the tile, show text. When you click on that, you will notice that it shows up on your screen, or on the tile, I'm sorry. And once everything is to your satisfaction, you can go to the bottom, and you can also upload an image if you're feeling adventurous, or you can just save it, and you will notice that the tile now is on your screen. So what you're going to want to do is, let's say you want to move your tile. All you have to do is click on it with your left button on your mouse, and you can actually drag it to any place on the tile mix that you want. So that's how you create a tile.